How to verify account in Discord. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be showing you the process of verifying your account in Discord. So first things first, open your Discord of course. And after that, you're going to look over here on the bottom right. You have a small icon beside the bell icon. Now this is your profile section. This is where you will be able to see settings about your account. As you can see here in the middle, you have your set status, get nitro, and account. You're going to have to click on the account. And you're going to see over here on the top, verify your email. So simply click on verify your email, and as you can see, it will send a verification email to your inbox. And once you've successfully verified your account, you will be able to use majority or all of the features of Discord. Now simply accept that, look at your email, and you will be able to verify your account. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.